Should it go? Yeah, printed original. So, original rotation, original size. Alright, okay. Upright images. Keep that output format. So they're a real money saver. Ha ha ha. So 8 pages. Okay. And save each quality. Zip. That's right, I can use these things for a while. Keep that up there. This machine needs a service. Okay, color balance, advanced. Okay. So that is always a hard decision working with copiers. Default. Already. Save. Touch the cyan as well. No. Let's save cyan as contrast. I think we'll leave that alone. Kind of fun. The images on A4. So I want to get it right. Okay, so here we go. One more image on this. Put him now. See. Checking output. Beautiful. These are beautiful. These settings are absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing you've got to note about these images, right, is the toners or the ink. It's not ink, it's dry ink. They are non-colour fast. If you want to hang them on your walls or an art gallery wall, ask your art supply shop about anti-fade spray.